What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this particular video I will explain the problem print first n Fibonacci numbers. This problem is very interesting and a basic level problem guys. Starting with the problem statement, so it says that you are given a number n, you have to find the first n Fibonacci numbers. The first two number of the series are 1 and 1. So guys, it says that you have to find the first n Fibonacci numbers, but what exactly are Fibonacci numbers? So Fibonacci number basically comes from the Fibonacci series. So let me write here Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is a very important concept in mathematics guys. It basically says that we have a series starting from 1 and 1. Then the next number is the sum of previous two numbers. So the next number will be 2, right? Which is 1 plus 1. After this, the next number will be the sum of previous two numbers. So I have 2 and 1. So next number will be 2 plus 1, 3. After this, we have the next number as sum of previous two numbers. I have 3 and 2. So the next number will be 5, right? Like this, I can print every number of the series. Like I have next number as 5 plus 3, which is 8. Then I have 8 plus 5, which is 13. Like this, we print the Fibonacci series, right? So this is a Fibonacci series, guys. Now, one example is given here which says that you have to print the first 5 Fibonacci numbers. So, first 5 Fibonacci numbers are these, right? So, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5 is the output here. Now, I hope you are clear with the problem statement. So, let's talk about the solution now, guys. I have written the same example here, and see what we do while printing a Fibonacci series. I have a number which is 1 and then 1. These are the first two numbers of Fibonacci series, right? After this guys, what we have is we have a relation. So for any series we need two things. The first one is start, from where we are going to start, and the second thing is relation, right? Relation, like how we are going to find out the next number in the series. So for Fibonacci series, the start is this one, 1 and 1, and the relation is sum of previous two numbers, right? So if I have to find next number, so it is the sum of previous two numbers. So I have 1 plus 1, which is 2. Then the next number will be again the sum of previous two numbers. So this is 2 plus 1, which is 3. Then the next number is again the sum of previous two numbers, which is 3 and 2, which is 5, right? So guys, this is how I can find first 5 Fibonacci numbers. But see, now I want you to observe something here. First of all guys, let me write the relation here. So sum of previous two numbers, right? And now guys, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to wrap this particular output in an array, right? Because in the problem we have to return an array which is going to store these numbers. Now see, what we can observe is we know one thing, which is the relation, right? So the relation is every number, let's say this is array of I. So this is nothing but the sum of array of I minus 1 plus array of I minus 2, right? This is what we can figure out. So I can write this observation, but what I want to do is I want to write answer instead of array, because answer makes more sense, right? So I'll write answer because I have to find the answer. Now what I'll do is I'll simply write the relation, which is answer of I equals to answer of I minus 1 plus answer of I minus 2. Guys, this is all we need to do, and now I have to do this particular thing in loop, right? But see, for the first value I have to assign them. So I'll say that okay, answer of 0 equals to answer of 1 equals to 1, right? My first two values are storing 1, and after this I'll start from index 2. So I'll say that for I equals to 2, then I smaller than n, then I plus plus, right? And inside this loop guys, I'm going to do this particular operation, and once I have done this, I just need to return answer. Guys, this is all I need to do. This is the whole approach that we need to follow, but we are missing one thing. Let's say this is an edge case guys. Let's say n is equal to 1. So see, I'm assigning value to two indices here, but if I have n equals to 1, so I will have an array of one size, right? And I just need to store 1. So I can't have any index which has the value 1 here, because it is following zero based indexing. So for this case, I have to write if uh, n equals to 1, then I'll simply say that okay, answer of 0 equals to 1, and then return return answer. This case we have to handle separately, guys, and this is all about the solution. Now we are just left with the time complexity and the space complexity. So the time complexity is going to be O of n here, right? Because we are running a loop till n. This is time complexity, and space complexity is nothing but O of n again, because we are using an extra array to store the answers, right? Now guys, let me quickly show you the code. So I have the implementation in C++, Java and Python, right? So this is the C++ code, and now you can see that we are just handling this particular edge case, and after this the approach is quite same, right? This is the code in Java, and I have the code in C++ as well. Now I hope you have understood the approach and the implementation, guys. So this is all about this video. Thank you.